This is our cat's favorite food, and I'm so glad that I found it in bulk. It comes with 24 twin packs like this. Easily break them, one for morning, one for night. Comes with these great little holders for it, so I take it out of the box and put it on the counter. You get 12 salmon flavors. You get 6 tuna flavors, and then my cat already ate the other ones, but they're 6 twin packs of the seafood flavor. I love that you can buy them in bulk. I do subscribe and save, so they come straight to the house every month, and we don't have to go out to pick up cat food.